In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Payhip. If you want to share updates, helpful articles, or content that supports your products and brand, adding blog posts to your Payhip store is a simple way to do it. I'll walk you through the process from the dashboard all the way to publishing your first post. To begin, go to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and content. Once you're there, look for the store section in the navigation menu and click on it. This will take you into the area where you can manage the customer-facing parts of your Payhip site. Inside the store section, click on Blog Posts. This is where all of your blog content will live. If you've never created a post before, this page may be empty, and that's completely fine. This is simply the place where you can create, review, and manage your articles. Next, click on Add New Blog Post. This opens the blog editor where you'll build your post. The first thing you'll want to do here is choose a title for your blog post. Your title should clearly describe what the post is about, so readers immediately know what to expect. A straightforward, specific title usually works best. After that, write the content that will appear in your post below. This is the main body of your article, where you can share your message, explain a topic, or provide useful information to your audience. As you write, try to keep your content organized and easy to read. Clear wording and short sections can make your post more engaging and easier for visitors to follow. Once your content is in place, choose an image that can represent the post. A good featured image helps your blog post look more polished and can make it more appealing when people browse your store. Try to use an image that matches the topic and gives readers a quick visual idea of what the article is about. When everything looks good, click Add Blog Post. This publishes your new post to your Payhip blog, so it becomes part of your store's content. And that's it. You've successfully created a blog post on Payhip. If you plan to post regularly, it's a good idea to keep your titles clear, your writing helpful, and your images relevant, so your blog feels consistent and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.